So 3 things I got tonight so far. One is it doesn't take much. There's steady pulse beat of the earth. So evident. Number 2 is distinguishing city noise, and it's distracting, or it can be distinguishing, tuning in and focusing my attention on that which I choose to pay attention to and, give my energy to. So, and then number 3, this is enough. Tonight I didn't get the symphony, the spectacular show, but I got this. And that's enough. See, in the midst of the city sounds, in the midst of the traffic noise, and that's enough. In the midst of this chaos and cacophony, as I put it. Yes. See? All you have to do is wait. Pause and wait. And I'm going to check in here on another take on the TCD vision and mission, the C.A.T Diaries, the core purpose of the C.A.T Diaries in my mind. And to do that, I'm going to use mostly the words of a great mentor in my life, a man who I became aware of, 25 years ago. But more recently, I have been learning more about him and reading his words and listening to his lectures. And that man is Thomas Berry. So I'm going to start with his words, and then I'll say a few words, and then I'm going to end with another quote from Thomas Berry. We are talking only to ourselves. We are not talking to the rivers. We are not listening to the wind and stars. We have broken the great conversation. By breaking that conversation, we have shattered the universe. All the disasters that are happening now are a consequence of that spiritual autism. There are people like Thomas Berry and the words that he speaks touch me deeply. And these words touch something very deep in me, a deep desire. And that desire is simple, to speak for the earth. TCD is my way of revealing the beauty and magnificence of this world creation, and to reveal a dialogue, this conversation that Thomas Berry talks about. And we've lost that, but I have never lost that. And I want to magnify her voice, the voice of creation, and amplify that conversation. So the purpose of the C.A.T Diaries is to, again, speak for the earth, to reveal the great conversation that ensues when I'm open to, receptive to this conversation through my cats and through the night sounds recording the beautiful sounds at night, filming the setting. I live in, paradise, and I've created a sanctuary for myself and the wonder of the natural world in that respect. And the moonscapes, so many different ways that I witness the marvel of creation, and in my attempt to share it with you. So again, I'm going to let the weight of Thomas Berry's words speak mostly for themselves. But again, the vision and mission of the Cat Diaries is to speak for the earth and to reveal her beauty, and perhaps most importantly, is to honor and revere her deeply. This wonderful thing we call creation, this wonderful living thing we call creation. So I'll end with this quote by Thomas Berry that speaks to this. The world we live in is an honorable world. To refuse this deepest instinct of our being, to deny honor where honor is due, to withdraw reverence from divine manifestation, is to place ourselves on a head-on collision course with the ultimate forces of the universe. This question of honor must be dealt with before any other question that is before us. We miss both the intrinsic nature and the order of magnitude of the issue if we place our response to the present crisis of our planet on any other basis. It is not ultimately a political or economic or scientific or psychological issue. It is ultimately a question of honor. And I am so grateful that I have the opportunity of paying creation its due, honoring it in my small way. Namaste.